everyone. On last turn we have studied about the archaebacteria. We are continuing here the kingdom Monera, right? There are four divisions in the kingdom Monera. One of the division is archaebacteria, and second one we are taking today, that is eubacteria. I told you eu means advanced. So in the eubacteria, advanced type of bacteria are present, which are the modern bacteria, right? They may be single और colonial. कैसे भी रह सकते हैं, अकेले भी रहेंगे और कॉलोनीज में भी रहेंगे, अपना मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर देंगे as soon as it reaches to the host cell. And what is the host cell? The plant cell or the animal cell, right? So on the basis of their shapes or structure, they may be of following types, means coccus, one of the type of eubacteria. These may be coccus or cocci, both the things are same, only the difference is singular form and this is the plural form of the coccus, right? So they may be single. If they are single, they are known as monococcus. एक ही spherical structure है, like this, monococcus, right? If they are two in number, diplococcus. दो है हमारे पास, like this is diplococcus structure of the cocci or coccus. Second है हमारे पास, third one sorry, streptococcus. हमारे पास चेन चली आ रही है एक, ठीक है, और जब बहुत सारे हैं हमारे पास, पूरा गैंग है, पूरी वॉल बन गई है, तो हमारे पास क्या है, क्या कहलाएगा ये? स्टेफाइलोकोकस, लाइक दिस, बहुत सारे हैं, infinite in number, right? So this is the structure of cocci. They may be monococcus if only one bacteria is there. They may be diplococcus if only two bacteria are there. Streptococcus, a chain of bacteria, and Staphylococcus, a group, gang or wall or the colony of the bacteria, right? So this is the cocci form. Second one is bacillus form of eubacteria. Bacillus form, right? So bacillus form is rod shaped. They also may be monobacillus, diplobacillus, streptobacillus and staphylobacillus. हम उसको शेप के हिसाब से वर्ड को चेंज कर देंगे. सो दिस इज द बैसिलस फॉर्म. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज मोनोबैसिलस. दो बना दिए तो डिप्लोबैसिलस, पूरी चेन बना दी तो स्ट्रेप्टोबैसिलस, और पूरा हमने गैंग बना दिया तो क्या बन गया ये? स्ट्रेप्टोबैसिलस. थर्ड फॉर्म आती है हमारी कॉमा शेप, ठीक है. थर्ड फॉर्म इज कॉमा शेप. कॉमा जानते हैं ना, ऐसा कॉमा होता है जैसे, ठीक है, ऐसे करके कॉमा होता है. कॉमा शेप्ड स्ट्रक्चर जो है हमारी थर्ड वो है, ठीक है. और इसमें आती है हमारी स्पिरिलम शेप. स्पिरिलम जो स्प्रिंग वाली शेप होती है, ठीक है. एंड लास्ट वन इज विब्रियो शेप. सो कॉकस and bacillus are very important shape of the bacteria which are present everywhere, right? Next thing is, you all are aware about the bacterial cell, ठीक है. Bacterial cell is having its own capsule, right? Like this is the bacterial cell. The flagella, the whole capsule is there, और उसके अंदर एक सर्कुलर DNA और ये सारा उसका सेल कंटेंट. दिस इज द बैक्टीरियल सेल. क्लियर? सो हाउ द बैक्टीरियल सेल डिवाइड? By means of binary fission, the bacterial cell divide. This is the cell wall and cell membrane also divided into two parts. This is known as binary fission. So mode of reproduction is asexual by means of binary fission. So bacteria divide by means of binary fission, equal half division. One cell forms the two daughter cell like this. एक सेल ये बन गई हमारी और दूसरी ये बन गई. Clear? Now the thing is, what are the economic importance of the bacteria? Because the eubacteria are advanced type of bacteria, so what are the economic importance of the eubacteria, right? So economic importance of the eubacteria are that they are widely used in the bakery industries, they are widely used in the formation of alcohols, they are widely used in the formation of medicines also. Antibiotics are prepared by means of bacteria, right? They are used in the preparation of various food products. For example, curd. Formation of curd or transformation of uh, milk to the curd takes place completely in the presence of bacteria, that is lactobacillus. And so many diseases are also caused in the plant cell as well as in the animal cell, right? So in the plant cell, for example, citrus canker is caused in the citrus means lemon के plant में citrus canker disease हो जाती है by means of bacteria. Next thing is, so many diseases are takes place in the human also, right? Tuberculosis, TB. Okay, so ये सारी हमारी diseases है which are caused in the human as well as in plants, right?